everyone, welcome to another video. Now I've had this for a long time, since 2020 I think it was one of the ones that I got in the sale. But I know I've not done an unboxing. What's this one? I know it's more of a wintry snowy spring one, but Crystal Art was on the other day and they've got a brand new, I think it's a birdhouse and bird feeder, which I really like, but I'm not going to buy it. But that reminded me of this upside down. That reminded me of this, and I decided that I want a new start, and seeing as Marion and I are doing the competition again for seeing who can do the most diamond paintings during the year. I won last year. I did 19. She did 12. But she did have a couple of months where she didn't do anything. And we didn't start right at the very beginning of the year. So we have started. Oh, I have one, which is Titanic. And I had kitted up. Actually, I'll just get it, because I'm not 100% certain if I've done that one or not. Let me just get it and I'll be back in a second. I'm back. I was talking to Jenny the other day. Hey Jenny. I said I fancied a new diamond painting start. I didn't want something that was too big. So should I do the wreath, the penguin wreath, or should I do the giraffes? And I said to her that the giraffes were already kitted up, but the wreath wasn't. So I must have done an unboxing, because if it's kitted up, then I must have done an unboxing. I don't remember doing it. She said, do the giraffes. So, anyway, it's got the thing, the wax, pen. That. And that is the giraffe one. So, and I absolutely lied. It's not kitted up. It's the zebras. It's the zebras that are kitted up. Ooh. Maybe I haven't done an unboxing on it. Or I'll do it quickly before I talk about the bird table, because that's what I came on to show you. Ooh. It won't take long to do. and then these three. Maybe I just unboxed it myself. I'm not quite sure when I got this, but I know I got it in the range. So it must be the zebras that is kitted up. I shall have to go and look at this after I've done this video. Ooh. Now I'm confused. Anyway, back to the bird table with the two blue tips and the robin. It's a full edge to edge including the door. We were talking about, because I'd finished Titanic, I've got spare drill pots now. So what should I do? And I was thinking about the penguin reef, but and Jenny said, as it's kitted up, which we now know isn't kitted up, do the giraffes. Oh my goodness. So it must, it's got to be the zebras. There's those ones. We do include, Marion and I do include small things. If it's a sticker set, then that the sticker set counts as one finish. But if it's just an individual sticker on its own, then that is one, which is what we were doing last year. Cards are included and things like that. So that is the bird table. I think I will sit down and make myself a cold drink, and I will kit these up. Yeah, the giraffe shouldn't take I can always do one day and one the other, can't I? We've got so many diamond paintings, Marion and I, to do, that we need to just get on and start doing them. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you with an update of either crochet or diamond painting very soon. Thanks for watching.